Da 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 da. Hello, it's me again. Today we're going to go over how to prepare a model for some more realistic textures using a process called UV unwrapping. Let me try to explain this to you. It's not that hard, and sometimes it tastes good too. Okay, so what's this UV unwrapping bit? Well, you can consider the surface of a three-dimensional object as the foil around this chocolate rabbit, which was delicious. The foil gives it some texture. There's a nose, there's an eye, and an ear, and feet's where it ought to be, and the text is parallel with the floor and everything. And that's okay, but how do you edit this? That's where I dig up one of my good old little kid skills and carefully remove this wrapper and flatten it out. Well, like so many of my little kid skills, this one has mostly deserted me. But as you can see, now that this is flat, nothing lines up the way it used to be. But I can put this image into whatever I happen to be using and apply textures to it. So this is basically what UV wrapping is. Okay, so now we're ready to unwrap this building. Let's split our screen. Yeah, you can do that. It's Blender, you can do anything. I'll do a vertical split here. Now, up here in screen viewport editor, I want to go to UV editor. And this will, by default, give you an area of 1024 by 1024 that you can UV your UVing on. So let's go back to this window, select all, and there's the UV I made testing out to make sure this works. Ta-da! Now, I did this using, let's go back here, using Smart UV project, and there's a reason for that. If you've been using Blender for a long time, whenever you want to unwrap something, you automatically just type UU. And for a lot of things that works, but for buildings and furniture especially, it doesn't, because as you can see, everything here is kind of bowed. And I don't know why. It just does it that way. So, Smart UV project. None of this, you don't need to worry about any of this just now. And here we have it. Everything lines up, it's flat, it's beautiful. What's not to love? Next thing to do is go over here to this little weird triangle thing and go to UV maps, and you'll see it says UV map, which is not very enlightening. So double click on it, and I'm going to name it House 3 UV. You can have many UV maps. You can have special ones for windows, special ones for doors, special ones for house numbers. It doesn't matter. You can do them all. Right now, we're only going to bother with one. And this is it. So, UV. You can save this image if you want. Export UV layout. Hey, get back here. Export UV layout. And this is something you can use in GIMP or Photoshop or whatever. But that's all there is to it. In the next video, I'm going to start making bricks, and we're going to be using nodes. Nodes may seem a little bit intimidating at first, but trust me, they are so much fun. See you later. Bye-bye.